Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Yes, it's NVIDIA GT 1030. It's very old one. You know what's most older is the CPU. It's third generation i5 as you can see here, and the graphic card is NVIDIA GT. If you're asking about if you can run local language model, yes, there is some local language model which you can run on your laptop or desktop. In this case, third generation i5 with GT. RAM it's 16, but we are not exceeding 6 maximum. If you have 6 GB of RAM, I think you will do good. So I've tested many of language models. I've deleted some, as you can see here. I've deleted a lot. I installed a lot. It's a huge list. I've been testing, and what I found out is there is some modules like this one. It's called smollm. This one it's not going to work because if you start working, I will show you what I mean. I hope it's still installed. Okay, this model. Let's start new chat. If I say hi, you will see the peak is going to the CPU. Let me refresh this page. The peak is going to CPU, not the GPU, and it's going to take a little bit of time. As you can see here, the peak is going to CPU. Just the CPU are peaking here, and just a little peak here. But if we change the model, let's refresh the page. I don't know why I have to refresh the page. Let's choose this model 360. Smaller model runs fine, and this one too is run fine. If I say the high, look at the peak here. It will happen here. It will be here as well, but here. And you will notice that, for example, let's say what is DevSecOps, for example, and as you can see, the peak is here. And write me a full blog post about DevSecOps. So as you can see, it's very fast. The speed is using is very fast here, and I'm going to copy this text, and as you can see, still writing. It's very fast, and the graphic card of NVIDIA is doing good. It's finished now. Let's refresh the page and let's choose the same model. And now the peak will be the load will be on the CPU here, not on the GPU. As you can see, the GPU peaked and goes down, but the CPU will keep writing. And you can notice the speed, it's very slow compared to the first one. As you can see here, if you see the load on all 4 threads, because it's very old CPU. I've tried some language models on my Ryzen laptop. It's doing good. It's Ryzen 5 Ryzen 5 Pro, so it's doing maybe the same because it have an EPU but not in a dedicated graphic card. If you have a dedicated graphic card, you can use smaller language models, and I will show you one more. Gima, this is based on Gemini of the Google. This the same topic, and you will see this one also because it's less than, I don't know, 1 billion, so 270 millions. It will load from the graphic card. The load here is on the graphic card, and it's writing very fast, as you can see. So I hope this one is helpful. So now I will show you how you can install it. Actually, the installation is very easy. Okay, first of all, you have to download the Ollama. If you want to download Ollama, you have to go to the Ollama website and click download. If you are on Windows, you can choose Windows, you can download it, but we are on Linux in this case. You can download it on Mac OS as well, but here on Linux you have just to copy this and paste it here in your terminal. Just paste it, and it will ask you for password. Click enter and it will start installing. In some cases, some distros like Debian, it doesn't have curl installed by default. Okay, what you have to do is sudo apt install, and you write this one curl here. uh, and you press enter. You can do -y to not ask you, and press enter and install it, and then run this command. If you are using Fedora or any RPM based, I believe it's DNF curl, you can download it from the repo of DNF, or yum in some cases yum, but DNF should work fine. Yeah, after you install it, I will show you how to pull the models, because you have to pull the models. If you want to pull the model, you can go to Ollama and click on models, and as I told you, you can search for these models like geometry, or this one, smollm. Oh my god, it's very difficult. I will leave it to you in the description. You can copy it. Smollm. Okay. It's which one? Smollm. Yeah, the Smollm, not version 2. I believe. Yeah, there is. As you can see here, there is in version 2. Yeah, there is smaller models. This model is like if you say B in a model, usually it's not going to work. Let's try to pull this too. You can see here you have the 7 billion and 360 millions. So let's pull this 360 millions. You can click this copy and you back to the terminal. If Ollama installed and everything is fine, just write Ollama pull and paste the language, the model, language model. Press enter and it will start pulling. You wait for it. My internet's kind of slow, so you can wait for it until it's finished. After it's finished, you have to, it's fine, you have to install this extension. It's called let me see if I can find it. This extension, I will leave it to you in the description. It's available on Chrome and also on the Firefox. This is this one. It's already here. I don't know why it's giving me add to Firefox again. Okay, so you can download it. After you download it, just click on it. It will open a new window. It's the same as this one, and here you will see all the models. Instead of using the models on, let me just cancel this. Instead of using the models on the terminal, you can use it with the graphical interface like this. And the best things, it's the chat, it's saved here, the history of the previous chat, and you can do temporary chat. It's not going to save. As you can see, it's very fast. Let's say give me a roadmap. It's going to be very fast. I don't know if it's going to work or not, because I've opened the new page assist there. Yeah, it's fine. The load is on the GPU, and this legend, it's still it can breathe using the Linux. One more thing, you have to install the graphical, the driver of NVIDIA from the driver manager. After you install in the Linux Mint, I've tried many Linux distros, but Linux Mint is doing best, because Linux Mint have a very good implementation of NVIDIA drivers. So install it. It will prompt you to install the graphic card driver. Yeah, install it. Install 550, 550, not 570 something, because it's the 550 is more stable. And I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, just ask in the section. Please don't forget to subscribe. This is a new channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share the video with others, share it on Reddit or whatever you want. Help me grow so I can share more tutorials with you. I hope this helpful from my heart. I hope this helps some of you. If you have a weak or low spec PC, you can also run language model using your hardware. It will help you if you don't have internet, if you want to keep your privacy. There is a lot of use cases in this. So yeah, thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. I hope this is the first video I'm recording with Mint. I hope everything is fine, and yeah, goodbye.